Okay, class.
Yes, yes.
Okay, thank you for putting your eyes on me and your bodies are still. Yesterday, who could tell me what story we read? Chloe.
The big bushy mustache.
Yeah, the big bushy mustache. And we focused on the problem that he encountered and the solution. Did he try more than one solution?
Yes.
So that's what we're going to be doing today, is discussing with our teacher groups more about the text that we read yesterday. So we're going to work in our small groups, and I have questions for you. And I want you to remind you guys how you speak in your groups. So you need to speak respectfully. You need to make sure everybody has a turn. You need to make sure you're paying attention. On task. What do you think on task means? On task. Sophia? Huh?
Like
Ready. Ready, right? So I printed out some questions for you that have to do with the story. So I want you guys to discuss it nicely with each other. And you're going to go with number 1 and have a really fun way for us to ask each other questions. We're going to start off our questions with, I must ask you a question. So let's practice, okay? So if Ariana is in my group, she will have a page, and I will have a page. And should I be sitting like this?
No.
Better way is for our body to be forward, our papers are flat, and say, okay, well, I would like to start. Is that okay with you? Okay, I must ask you a question. Number 1, who will you look like when you grow up? So I'm going to give her some time to think about it, okay? And I'll wait for her answer. And she can ask me the same question back. You want to try asking me? How do we start it off with?
I must ask you a question.
Okay. And then you go ahead and do that.
Who would you look like when you grow up?
Okay, so then I'm going to let us think, and then we're going to talk about it until Miss West says that the time is up, or until you hear the timer go off. Sounds good?
Yes.
Okay, so we're going to get into our teacher groups. I would like blue to go to your station.
Oh.
I would like yellow to go to your area. Green is ready.
First, guys.
Purple. Yeah, you can bring your text. You might not need it right away. Okay, green. So these are your discussion questions. So Natalie, will you leave that seat there? It's okay. You're ready to sit right there. Sit right there. Okay, Adam,
You look like your dad.
you can move this one. Yeah, you should. Okay, Luke. Kenny.
I would do the shoes. You get it.
Here's one for you. This is for you.
Last time, I
Purple, you're on. Okay, class.
Yes.
Okay, so blue group. So we're going to start at number 1. We're going to take turns. If somebody wants to ask or discuss more than one, that's okay. Okay? If you get all the way down to the bottom and we're still working, you can go back and revisit a question. Go back to another question. If you have a pencil, you can make some notes if you want to write down your idea. Also, at the very end, if you finish early, I would like you to write the solution that worked for who?
Ricky.
For Ricky. Okay, we can write this in a complete sentence with a capital letter and a period. Andrea?
I forgot my pencil. Can I get it?
That would be a smart choice. Go for it. Okay, so we're back in action. Go ahead and begin. with your small group discussion.
Okay, Phoebe's gonna start first. No, I'm asking you the question.
Okay, green group. Who's gonna start?
I would ask you a question. I'm a
So just try to describe yourself, and everybody can think about the question, right?
my mom, but I'm not sure yet.
I would wear one of the big bushy. I would wear the big bushy mustache and hold the sword.
We're gonna say, who will you look like? Someone kind of
Okay,
like this.
and next one. No, wait, we have to wait till the timer's off, right? Yeah, we can keep switching off. Okay.
No, it's my turn.
Make it a mustache and a
Right, we're just listening. We're just discussing all the questions that we have.
No, metal.
Okay, your turn, Luke. We'll ask somebody a question. Put our finger on number 2.
I will look like a man, and I would look like a
That's usually what happens when you get a like this. Okay, we need to involve everybody.
because it's pretty.
What would you want to wear? I don't know everybody.
My mustache. The one you want to wear.
I don't know. I told you
Ready for number 2?
Because it's
Yeah,
original.
we're ready for number 2.
Okay.
I'm
Just on what will Ricky wear in school?
Okay,
I'm gonna ask you a question. Okay, I must ask you a
number
question.
2.
What will help solve the teacher's, Ricky's father's, mom's problem? It's what will Ricky wear in the school cut? No. We just did this one. What will Ricky wear in the school cut? He will wear the mustache. He will wear the mustache. He will wear the big, huge, fat, giant mustache.
Yeah, you gotta go back up. Okay, so point to one that you're at right now.
What will
What
the
will
teacher
Ricky
tell him to
do? Or where are you? How should Ricky solve the problem? Okay, so that's kind of where we're at for writing the correct solution. So you guys need to talk to each other and figure out, and I'd like to see it written on the bottom of the page.
Any photograph people? Speed it up. Probably him. Him?
Guys, keep going. Okay, let's keep it moving.
Okay, so let's see. That's my turn.
I went and this
No, you already missed it.
No,
I didn't go. You went tell him. You went twice.
No.
Teacher would tell him to put the food. Yeah. Who will help solve the teacher slash Ricky slash father slash
The same thing.
Okay, friends, how's it going? Okay, where are we? We're on number 2. Okay, put your finger on number 2. What will the teacher tell him then to do? So we're going to focus on him. Who's him? Ricky. So what will he tell him? Back in the beginning of the story, what did the teacher tell him to do?
He told him to leave his clothes.
Did you guys agree or disagree with Matilda? I agree, that's what happened in the story, right? Okay, great job. Let's go to number 3. Put your finger on number 3.
Wait, boyfriend, click down.
Who will Ricky look like?
You're gonna ask somebody say Matthew. I'm gonna ask you a question.
have the mustache, right? That's okay.
You're a different person every time. Don't pick me again. I won't, I promise.
But if like it's number 4 and down, you have to start off with that person.
Okay, let's put our fingers on number 4. Finger on 4.
So if everybody gets a chance, then we do that. Then we start over to
Maybe I was trying to question. What will the teacher tell?
Now, if it's him, no, what about the whole thing? All about the
What did the teacher come up
School, like